video is about pure collagen skincare. Imperfections on your face can give away your true age. That's why a lot of women are going to great lengths just to achieve a more youthful appearance. There are numerous products and treatments available to give them the beauty regime they need to push back the hands of time. Collagy Pure Collagen Skin is one product which claims to help women to achieve younger looking skin not just on the face but all over the body. This involves the use of UV lamps to help restore the natural suppleness and smoothness of the skin. You might raise an eyebrow thinking UV rays can actually be harmful, hence many use products with sunscreen protection. However, what these lamps produce is something that's called red light. Its use can actually be beneficial, especially to one's physical appearance. What red light does is it promotes of the formation of collagen. Collagen is naturally produced by your body. It's actually a type of fibrous protein that maintains the elasticity of your skin. But other than that, it also has many other functions in the body, such as connecting and supporting tissues like the bone, muscles, tendons, and cartilages. Just think of it as some form of glue that holds everything together. However, as people age, collagen's production begins to wane. It is said that even in your mid-20s, your body's capability to produce collagen begins to decline. Such is easily given away by the different manifestations it has, primarily on the skin. It begins to get wrinkled and sag. Even worse, it also paves the way for the formation of cellulite. That's why, to help keep these aging signs at bay, it's important for the body to constantly have a supply of collagen. Sad to say, it's something that can be difficult to achieve through proper diet as no food actually contains this. Although there are some foods which contain nutrients that aid your body's natural production of collagen, they're not enough to really get rid of the signs of aging on one's appearance. A handful of medical procedures can lend a helping hand. However, most of them are invasive and very expensive. For women who are afraid of undergoing the knife or don't have the budget for costly cosmetics procedures, these aren't viable solutions. Therapeutic use of red light can be the answer to their prayers. The use of red light is non-invasive and there are no reported harmful effects, according to some studies conducted on it. Each treatment can be as short as 10 minutes each time only. Ideally, one should be treated 3 to 4 times a week. According to treatment centers offering the procedures, it should take 12 weeks before results are enjoyed. But still, it's a case-to-case basis as some clients say that they note some changes in just a few sessions. Older women may expect to see results longer. Collagy Pure Collagen Skin has numerous benefits. Other than tightening and reducing wrinkles and sagging on the facial area, the rest of your body can benefit also. The skin's elasticity and texture all over the body can receive improvement so that no one can tell your real age whether they base their guess on your face, neck, arms, hands, or feet. If you want to discover more about Collagy Pure Collagen, then you must visit our website at http://www.antiaging-skincare.net. Enter this URL in your browser or you can click on the link below in the description section of this video.